Look, if you're going to come here, just make sure that you're fully disguised, okay? I don't want you bringing any attention to yourself. Alright, I will see you in a few.
Excuse me? Are you visiting? Excuse me, miss. Miss.
Caroline, it's fine. She's here to meet, alright?
Okay, but she wasn't answering me.
Sorry about that. It's just that she doesn't speak. She's dumb.
Oh, my apologies. I had no idea she was mute.
No, trust me, she is dumb. Alright? Thank you.
See your money there. Just know something you don't know.
Impressive. So you actually robbed your husband?
Don't worry about that. $5 million? They'll count it?
No. I trust you.
Yeah, I say. But the way you can say for yourself, because me not trust you.
How unfortunate. And here I was thinking that we made such a good team together.
No, Maxine. We would kill each other. This is just a necessity.
I see. So, Michelle, what is your next move?
And how is that of any concern to you?
Oh, I don't need to know because we're friends, Michelle. I just need to know because whatever you do will affect me if it's not done strategically.
Well, you have got to trust me. I'm going to deal with it strategically. Because you're not going to know nothing about my business.
I take no pleasure being tied in this situation with you, but I am. We're linked to a crime that can cost us both our lives. So you need to understand that.
A plan for runway. That is the plan. You have your money, me have mine. I'm going to start my new life.
But something tells me that you won't be comfortable in that life without your daughter. And that's the part I'm worried about. You blowing this whole thing sky high because of her.
I'm at peace with what I've done. And I'm prepared to live knowing that she's okay.
You don't think she's okay, Michelle? I can see it in your eyes. Michelle, you see, if this thing comes out in the open and I am caught, then you go down with me. And I'll convince the authorities that your daughter was involved as well.
You know, so I know me, I wait for you to say a joke, I mean.
Now trust me, darling. If I go down, then we all go down in a blaze of glory.
Maxine, why you had to say something like that?